Training and Development Establishment Power Horse, National Training and Development Establishment Davidoff, Metro Manila Bar, Air China, Mediacom, Agemono, Cityline Express, Pinoy Cargo, Picture. And I'd like to thank, of course, Comedy Junction. Nikki, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for bringing us here. It's really a blast. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.
At maraming salamat kay Dr. Steve Marcana, GAOC, Dr. Manuel Mike Alayan, Dr. Bobby Ang of Asian Institute, and of course, maraming salamat kay Dr. Jose Rizal. Yes?
GMA Pinoy TV, thank you very much. Kathy Valencia, Skin and Body Center, thank you. And Sir George, thank you very much. Fabio.
Maraming salamat sa iyo lahat. Thanks for receiving us here in Dubai. Sigurado babalik ko dito kasi